Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to Engineering in the AI Era. This is where we explore how AI is transforming the way we build, think, and engineer systems. Let's get started. In today's AI world, everyone talking about the AI versus engineer. Will AI replace engineer? Or we just asking the wrong question? AI today is incredibly powerful. It can write code, debug issues, deploy applications, recognize patterns, and process massive amount of data. But engineering is not just about execution. Engineer design systems, they make critical decisions, they solve real world problems, they think strategically, they bring creativity, and they take ownership even when things go wrong. So after saying all this, AI can debug, deploy, process data at scale, engineer design system, make decisions, solve complex problems, and think creatively. But one thing stands out: creativity. So real question is, will AI replace engineers? It might look like it can, but let's look deeper. Now imagine a perfect pipeline, AI helping at every stage, from coding to debugging to deployment to data processing. Everything works smoothly. Everything feels efficient, almost perfect. But there is a reality. The same pipeline doesn't always work like this. Things start breaking, edge cases appear, unexpected issues happen, decisions become unclear, and suddenly the system is no longer predictable. Now imagine this in production. A system goes down, user cannot access services, alert starts firing, pressure builds up, and every second matters. So every second, emergency response team need to reply, work with the alerts and the issues. AI can detect anomalies, it can show dashboards, it can highlight issues, but it doesn't understand the full picture. It doesn't know what matters most, and it doesn't decide what to do next. AI versus engineer comparison. This is the difference. AI follows the pattern, engineer understands the system. AI processes data, engineer makes decision. AI executes tasks, engineers take ownership. Human AI collaboration. So it's not about AI versus engineer. It's about the collaboration. AI increases the speed, engineer provides directions. Together, they become far more powerful. How the AI engineer evaluation. A traditional engineer works manually, writing code, debugging step by step, handling everything alone. It's very slow but controlled process. In stage 2, now add AI. The engineer becomes faster, more efficient, less time on repetitive work, more time to think. Now stage 3, now imagine an engineer who truly understands AI. They don't just use tools, they design better systems, make smarter decisions, and solve bigger problems. So AI is very powerful and solve the bigger problems in seconds and make engineering easy. This is where everything changes. Think of it like a split brain. AI handles execution, engineers handles thinking. Together, they create a new kind of engineering. So no, AI will not replace engineers, but engineers who use AI will replace engineers who don't. The choice is simple.